Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. I got a new magazine and I found this one on Marketplace. A lady had it. She was only selling it for $7 for $3 shipping, so I grabbed it. It's called Giant Tropical Steps, 22 designs. I don't know how old this is, but let's check it out. Look at it, there's Nova! Joe's Nova. So we have a stamp says, with all my love, a corner, flower, some more foliage, some flowers, Nova, leaf, a butterfly, some foliage, a flower, a hummingbird, flowers, some flowers. Looks like I can't tell if that's supposed to be a leaf or a tree. This says, let's see, you make my heart soar. Little birds and probably some sort of macaws. Celebrate the style just for you. So them are the stamps. Okay, there's Nova. And it is creative ideas for everyday card making. Papercraft inspiration. Let's see. Is there a date on this? Let me get my magnifying glass here. I think it says August 2019. So it's a little 2 years old, but still $7 plus $3 shipping. What the hell, you know? All right, let's check it out, the magazine. I like getting these. Look how pretty they made these cards. Oh, look at it. I'm going to put you guys down just a little smidgen. Look at how they did that card. And a Nova card. Very pretty. Hey. Oops. So it's an older one, but that's okay. You know. Use crystal clear overlay to dilute or extend your ink. Interesting. Cute. Like I said, there's always neat ideas in these magazines. I hollow these out more than you guys realize. And a lot of times, let's see, let's go back here. A lot of times, if you look, there's tips, and right here, Reader's Challenge. See. Yeah, see. But a lot of times, there's free downloads. You just got to kind of look through the magazine and find them. And you can go find our free download. You just kind of have to look for the little box. Let's see if I can find one when I'm looking through. I think it's sometimes you get free images. Get in touch, right? Email, Facebook, Reader Challenge. What you need. And a lot of times, even if you don't have a stamp and you have something similar, you could really work it to make it look like they're kind of like this. If you don't exactly have that house and you have a stamp that has that house, you can still kind of follow the directions, just use a different, your stamp, you know? This is a cute beach scene. So, teacups. Ooh. See, free paper right here. Download and print these papers from our website for free. Look at it. Baho. So I can go on to that and I can download that paper. Turn page for more. See? So I get some free. I usually just because they're, you know, I'll just scan this and print it. Look at it, so cool. Man, why couldn't I have this a week ago? You'll understand why in the next video. But look at, keep in touch, die cuts. This is a good magazine. Oh, see, I like that. So I will scan this. I just kind of fold the book magazine over. I do this. And I'll put it in my scanner and I scan it. And there we go, and I'll have it. I don't take it out of the magazine. I didn't do that. Oh, like the little car. Skin expert. So I might have to make Nova a card and send Nova a card with Nova on it. Yeah. And also your free templates. Yeah. Projects in issue 193. Yep. Let's see. Page 30. It tells you exactly what page they are from, or so you know. Let's see. Car body. Let's see. Page 26. No. What? Okay. Occasion vase, page 51. Occasion car, page 51. Okay. I was going to say, what? So that, right there, is that card. There's that right there. There's the car body, the bonnet, the wheels, the wheel hub is right here. That's right there. Right there. So that's kind of cool. They gave you a pattern for a car. Yep. So that's why I like getting these, because there's always something. Oh, look at the little love chick birds. They're cute, just in time for like Easter. Next month, crafty kit with his little animals. And that's it. So, like I said, this is August 2019. And I think like they're catching up a little bit, because I realized when I was in the store, Joann's today, which I didn't buy anything, a lot of the magazines are for like the last 2 years. It's like I'm not seeing a newer magazine. So with COVID, I think they're kind of finally being able to send out what they had in stock. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry, I can't speak there. I hope you enjoyed me showing you. Bye, everybody. Have a good day.